Hi guys, it's me again, Gideon, your favorite virtual assistant. And here on this video, I'll be showing you how to check if some services on your line are being forwarded to another number which you did not authorize and you can't really tell. Services such as calls, SMS, fax. Okay, we'll be going through it on this phone, on this video now, so that you can see what I'm trying to tell you about. So if you have your phone with you, you can come with me like so. So for educational purpose, I forwarded some services on my SIM 1 to a particular number, which you'll be checking. But on the SIM 2, I did not do the same. So for you to check if any services on your SIM is actually being forwarded to another number without your consent, you can dial the short code, which is *#21#. Once you do that, on the line or on the SIM you're suspecting, that is my SIM 1, I dial the code, and as you can see, some services are actually being forwarded to another number, such as voice, fax, and we have some other services there, which is the sync and async. So once you see something like this which you did not authorize, just note that your call has been forwarded to another number, which simply means that each time calls comes into this my number, which is my MTM, this SIM 1, it will automatically be forwarded to this number you can see on my screen. So if you have this and you are curious about it, what you have to do, or you are worried, what you have to do, let's confirm it on my SIM 2, which is *#21#. On my SIM 2, I did not initiate such service, so everything will not be forwarded. That's the information you'll be getting. Calls not forwarded, that is voice not forwarded, data not forwarded. So once you have this, you are good. And for the SIM 1, if you have such service or such number you can't really tell, you can copy the number to see who have actually forwarded your call to his or her own number. And if you want to cancel such service, you can also do this. You can come to your screen like so. You dial the short code #002#. On your SIM 1 or on the line, the SIM you're having the forwarded service on, you dial this code #002#. So once you do that, you get this pop-up, that's information, the message telling you that call forwarding erasure was successful. So once you do that, you are good. So you can still check to confirm if that number is still attached to or your calls are being forwarded to that same number. You can still check using same code *#21#. On the SIM 1, everything should be not forwarded now, which we can see on my screen right now. So if you find this video helpful, kindly share, subscribe, like, and also follow me for more videos like this. You can also